Welcome to Earl, Stewart on Cars with Earl and Nancy Stewart. Reach them with your questions at 877-960-9960.
When your car's in warranty, you're pretty safe. When your car goes out of warranty, it's the wild, wild west.
Yep.
Every auto manufacturer has a different situation. Every car dealer is a little bit different. And you can be turned down at car dealer A or manufacturer A, and manufacturer B would say, go ahead and fix it, or car dealer C would. So it's very erratic. This is advice for all you folks out there that have cars that you bought new and maybe they're a little bit out of warranty. When the cars are out of warranty, they still get fixed, and they get fixed sometimes by something called a technical service bulletin, where there's a confession of the fact that the car has got a problem that nobody knows about. Technical service bulletins are confidential, known only by the car dealers and their technicians, not by customers. And the car dealers are instructed when a technical service bulletin goes out that they don't want us to tell our customers about it. They want the customer to have to come and complain about the issue that the technical service bulletin was about. And this is to protect the auto manufacturer from being ripped off by the car dealer. So you folks out there, you customers that buy cars, are not the only ones that get ripped off by car dealers. Manufacturers get ripped off by car dealers because they lie about warranty and they lie about goodwill and things like this. So when you have a car that's out of warranty and you have an issue, you should check for technical service bulletins on that issue with your dealer. And you should also talk to the dealer about calling the manufacturer on your behalf and asking for a goodwill adjustment. Now, sometimes one dealer will be able to offer you a goodwill adjustment, but another dealer of the same manufacturer won't. Car dealers that are high on warranty costs are often constricted in what they can do in terms of repairing cars out of warranty because the manufacturer doesn't trust the dealer.
Yep.
If you can find a dealer that is, whether he's high or not on warranty, if they trust him, they will trust a dealer's word that you have a car that should be fixed out of warranty, and they will do it for you. I'm sorry it's so subjective and confusing, but for what it's worth, all is not lost when your car is out of warranty. Find a good dealer and go to a dealer service manager or general manager who will be your advocate. Hi, this is Earl Stewart. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to be notified of new videos that we post to our YouTube channel, simply click on the subscribe button at the lower right-hand side of the screen. Earl Stewart.